Hello and thank you for visiting Pre-Owned Motor Cars once again. Today I am showing you a 2019 Ford Ranger Lariat Crew Cab 2-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with a 2.3 liter turbo EcoBoost motor with a 10-speed automatic transmission and daytime running lights. 18-gallon fuel tank. Power locks on the rear gate also. EcoBoost motor with sensors in the rear, alloy wheels, running boards, painted mirrors, and sensors in the front also. You get a power driver's side and passenger side seat in the Lariat edition. This vehicle comes standard with 270 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque, with a towing capability of 7,500 pounds. Comes with lane departure, automatic start-stop, trailer tow, park assist, and traction control buttons. This vehicle currently has 28,716 miles on it. Nice backup camera. Automatic transmission, 10-speed. Both heated seats on driver and passenger side. Full leather interior. Armrest in the back also. 5-foot box. Thank you for watching the video on the 2019 Ford Ranger Lariat Edition 2-wheel drive. My name is Rhino. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at the dealership at 808-334-1111. Please ask for me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.